Ready. Here we go.
Wow.
Ready, green?
Say
green.
green.
Can you say green? Gabe. Can you say green? What is that?
Green.
Very
Green.
good.
Say hooray!
Wow.
What is that? What is that, Lou? What are you doing? Okay, let's put it in. See if you'll do it again. That was so funny.
That was fun.
Whoa! Nope.
Whoa.
Oh, I didn't put his. Say green.
Let me wipe this. Say whoa!
Whoa.
Are you making it green?
Now hold it up and Grandma can show you what's on it.
Let's see. Let's see. What does that say?
Can you tell?
It says Gabriel.
Oh boy.
It's Gabriel.
Oh,
He got us. Good job. Really?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You're turning Grandma into a rainbow. I needed one today. Might as well be from you. What are you doing? I see you.
it's like I want it the darkest green
I see
ever.
you.
Are you showing Grandma your?
That's your egg?
Oh,
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you want a new color?
No.
You want to do